now.
I'm Bridget Rose, and this is my cell bio project. I would like to point out I did put it on paper, but it's small and hard to see, so my wall just worked better. I'm going to start with atom. An atom is made up of protons and neutrons. They reside within the nucleus. It is also made up of electrons, but the electrons live outside the nucleus in electron shells, which are also energy levels. An atom, multiple atoms make molecules. Molecules can be made up of the same element, or they can be different elements combined together, which make a compound. Molecules are measured in moles, which, if you take moles over a liter, that's the measurement for molarity. Moles are also a collection of Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Back to the atom. An atom that doesn't have one of its electrons is a cation, or could also not have three of them. It just doesn't matter. It ends up getting a positive charge, which is the cation. There are a couple types of cations, a lot of them actually, but one of them is the hydronium ion. The hydronium ion can be used in Bronsted-Lowry acid base as an acid, which in Lewis acid base is an electron acceptor. Back to the atom. An atom with an extra electron gives it a negative charge and makes it an anion. Another type of cation is the hydrogen ion, which is a positive hydrogen. It is attracted to a hydroxide, which makes water. Water has an extra isotope. There's one that's H2. It is deuterium. It's one of its isotopes. It also has a couple other that don't exist in nature. Some of them are radioactive isotopes. Water also is a polar covalent bond. With polar covalent bonds, if you add a pi bond to them, that will make a double covalent bond. If you add another pi bond to that, that will make a triple covalent bond. You see that a lot in organic chemistry. Back to hydroxide. Hydroxide can be used as a base in just about any type of acid base. And Lewis acid base, we consider bases the electron donors. Bases can be salts, and those are formed by ionic bonding. Back to water. Water has the hydroxyl group, that's the OH group. In the hydroxyl group, an alcohol has a hydroxyl group. That's what makes it an alcohol. Also, the hydroxyl group is a part of the carboxylic acid, which has the carboxylic group in it as well. And the carboxylic acid group would have the symbol COOH. And the C double bonded to an O is the carbonyl group, which is contained within the carboxyl group. A hydroxyl group also has a hydrogen, because it's got the hydrogen, and also an oxygen. The oxygen is electronegative, so some electronegative atoms cause hydrogen bonding, where hydrogens are attracted to an electronegative ion from a different molecule. And there's my project!